Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight, offered online of course and over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Today we are looking at the 2022 Perth Mint Gold Lunar Tiger range, the gold coin range, all except for the 1 ounce, because as you may know, they come in a very limited mintage, so when they are released they sell out very, very quickly. But we do have left, of course, the 10 ounce coin, the half ounce, the quarter ounce, the 1/10 of an ounce, and the cool little 1/20th of an ounce. I'll get to that one in just a second. We have a discount on this, a special. So this is in addition to the weekly Wednesday special. So you're getting 2 discounts this week, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at the design very quickly, and then I'll talk about what that special is in just a moment. The 2022 Gold Lunar Tiger in the 10 ounce coin. I got to tell you, holding a heftier gold coin or even a bar is something really special. And if you've never done so, just pop into the Brisbane or Melbourne stores and just ask nicely, and I'm sure we can oblige. And there's no obligation as well, just pop yourself in. And it's the weight of it, and particularly because it's gold, and there's something very special about that. I can't really describe the feeling, so feel free to pop in and have a hold. This is the design right here. I like the gold design for the 2022 Lunar Tiger. If you disagree, pop a comment below, or if you agree, pop a comment below. But it's more of a profile image. I think that's pretty cool, of the tiger standing on top a mountainside, I think. Of course, you've got the Tiger 2022 right there. Let's take a look at the obverse. Of course, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, with the denominations of 10 ounces, 9999, 4 nines pure gold AU, with a whopping, are you ready? 1,000 Australian fiat dollars right there. So that is the design. And of course, they do come in the fractional versions. So the half, the quarter, the 1/10, and the 1/20th. Now, a lot of people like to buy the fractional gold coins as a bit of a diversity play. So as we say here at Ainslie, balance your wealth in an unbalanced world. And what we mean is diversify within different asset classes, but within a particular asset class, you can diversify even further. So you can diversify within brand. You don't always have to buy Perth Mint or Ainslie Bullion. You can buy other brands, so you're diversifying in one way there. You can also diversify within type. You can buy bars, you can buy coins, and you can also diversify within size. The play here is that some people believe, and you may be one of them, that the price of gold is going to go, maybe a lot higher. What that price is, we can't say, of course. You do your own research on that. And it might come to a point where if, for example, you feel you may need to sell privately, so not just back to a bullion dealer such as Ainslie, but to an individual, just a private sale, then you're dealing with individuals, and not everyone has, even particularly now, not everyone has enough funds for a 10 ounce gold coin. But some people later on down the track, if gold goes to hopefully where we think it might go, may not have enough for a 1 ounce gold coin either. Maybe they just have a little bit of cash and they just want to, balance their wealth that way for just a little bit of cash. So that's why some people buy the fractional gold coins too, just as a little extra insurance policy, I guess, an extra diversity play, because they're trying to, I guess, have multiple exit strategies, if that makes sense. So having some fractional gold is not a bad idea. Also, just wanted to lastly show that if you were to buy a bunch of these coins in the one go, they come in sealed rolls of 20. These are the quarter ounce coins. So if you had the funds and you wanted to buy a whole bunch, if you bought 20 of them, they come in this beautiful sealed roll, sealed at the Perth Mint. And you can see it's like a hard shrink-wrapped plastic. And so they really, really protect the coins. And of course, they're individually encapsulated from the mint as well. So the metal doesn't get touched by human hands. I think it's really, really, really cool. So that is it. And I'll tell you the discount. So normally, these would be at a higher premium above the regular Perth Mint gold coins, the kangaroo design. That's just their regular design. They do change the design every year, but it's a little bit less in terms of the premium over spot price. But for the moment, and I don't know for how long exactly, we are going to offer the Tiger range of what we have at the same price as the kangaroo design. So again, normally the Tiger is a higher premium, but we're going to drop the premium on them for Again, don't know how long, but we're going to match the kangaroo pricing. Now, astute viewers will know that the kangaroo comes in almost all the same sizes except for the 1/20th ounce. So there is no 1/20th ounce gold kangaroo, but we still, I should say, lower the price of the 1/20th to what we thought the equivalent would be if there were a kangaroo 1/20th. So that's the little miniature one there. Exactly the same design, just in miniature format right there. They're very popular, the 1/20th gold coins. And again, they come in a sealed roll of 20, just like the quarter ounces do. So price matching the Perth Mint Kangaroo range. Now I'll put a link below in the info section of the YouTube page, and as part of the pinned comment, to the individual sale pages, the product pages for all of these. And then you can do your own research on the website. You can price match them against the kangaroos, and you will see that they are the same price. So that is our product spotlight, the 2022 Perth Mint Gold Lunar Tiger range right there. Currently at the Perth Mint Kangaroo price. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff that we always tell you to do. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.